It's going for about 3 weeks now, and as you can see, it looks like nothing has happened. I started out with a bag of prunings like this here, and I put them in there, plus the paper bags too, and grass clippings. So I'm not sure what it's missing, or maybe 3 weeks is not enough to try, but I've turned it every day, and it's now sitting out in the full sun. We did have it sitting over there closer to the fence where it would get quite a bit of shade, so that could be part of the reason. Another part of the reason, which I'm starting to wonder about, is I think I remember one time that you're supposed to put some compost in there to start it out a small bit, or some sort of dirt or something. So I'm wondering if it just needs some dirt or compost to start it off with. Because if compost is activated by bacteria, then where would the bacteria come in such a sterile environment as this brush and some paper and grass clippings? So I think I'm going to put some clumps of dirt, go out and pull some weeds, and then throw those in there and see if that starts it. So we'll see. I'm going to do that now. Okay, I was out front, and here's the weeds I pulled, and there should be some clumps of dirt in there with them, like right here. If the bacteria that we need for decomposition is in the dirt, there it is, and there's a few more. So I'm just going to put in here what I can and see how that works. This would be green material, and I probably already put so much green material in here. We'll see. I'm going to be watering the garden tomorrow, so if it needs water then, I'll give it some more then. It seemed like it was pretty wet the last time I checked on it. It's been out here in the sun, and it temperature is, oh, it's 90. But then it's about 90 outside, so that's no biggie. So that's not getting too mixed up, but I'm ready to go inside anyway. So I think that's all I'm going to do today. So thanks a lot, and we'll talk to you later.